Welcome to Eleonora's Coffee Station. Today, I'm gonna show you a quick recipe for cold brew coffee at home. So let's jump into the ingredients and enjoy summer with this fresh idea. For this recipe, you're gonna need some container, jar, bottle, something like that. And maybe a pour over. If you don't have, I'll show you how to make it without the pour over. And the ingredients: 600 grams of water at room temperature. You heard me right, room temperature. 60 grams of coarse grind size coffee. Now we're ready to prepare. First, put your ground coffee in the container. I'm using chica bean honey process. Then, add the water. Now stir for 15 seconds. Okay, there are two options. First one, if you have a pour over, just seal the container. Put it in the fridge and let it sit for 12 to 24 hours. And now it's ready to filter, held by a pour over or a strainer and a cloth filter. Both of them would be better. And voila for the first option. Second one, if you don't have a pour over, get some paper filters, and instead of sealing with the lid, put the paper filter and seal with some rubber bands. Again, put it in the fridge. Wait 12 to 24 hours. And now it's time to filter by flipping it on another container, mug or something. It could take more time, so be patient. So easy! Now you have a cold coffee ready to enjoy right at home. You can add milk or some syrup like a homemade lavender syrup, or even a store-bought chocolate syrup. I personally like it because of the sweetness and you can barely perceive acidity and bitterness. Now it's your turn! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check us at chicabean.com to get your own amazing specialty Guatemalan coffee, and be sure to follow us at Chica Bean Coffee so you don't miss any ideas. ¡Hasta la próxima!